Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will explain why messenger.com won't be available after April 15, 2026 and what you need to do right now to keep using messenger without any problem. See, this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get a start. First, tap on the messenger and now click on the I button and scroll down. Now click on the force stop. Okay, and click on the storage, clear cache and clear data, delete. Okay, go back and now click on the permission option and allow all permission. Calendar allow, back, camera allow, back, contacts allow, back, and location, microphone, music and audio, nearby devices, notifications, phone, photos and videos. Okay, allow all permission. Okay, go back and now check your internet Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, and now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, go back and go to Play Store and now tap on the search bar and search for messenger and click on the messenger. Check update your messenger. My messenger app already updated to the latest version. Okay, go back and open your messenger, and I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.